Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Melina, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a glass painting. Here are some examples of some that I've made very recently. Here are the materials you'll need. So you're gonna need some paintbrushes and some water. You're gonna need some paint. The paint I use is by Delta Creative. Any type of black permanent marker. Some people say that Sharpie doesn't work for them because it smudges, but for me it works perfectly fine. I have the ultra fine point and then just a regular one. And you'll be needing your glass. I just get my glass out of the photo frame, and yeah. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you want to get your picture that you're gonna want to draw, and before you draw it or trace it however you like, you're going to want to flip the page. Okay, so here's my picture. What you want to do is you want to flip it horizontally, and this is going to be the picture that you're going to be drawing or tracing. This is what the picture came out to be. I'm going to take out the glass from the picture frame. With your picture, you can draw it on paper first, or you can like directly draw it on the glass. What I like to do is I like to measure the glass and then cut out an exact size like of paper and then draw on that. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put my picture underneath. I'm gonna start tracing it with the black Sharpie. When you're tracing, also make sure your lines are very like smooth, because that's what's gonna make your painting look really good. And if you mess up, you can just like get some water and just clean it up. Okay, so I finished just tracing it over the black Sharpie. This is how it looks so far. Now it's time to paint. So what I recommend doing first is like the small details, and then moving on to the bigger portions. Trust me, if you flip it over, that's when you actually see it. So I'll give you guys a sneak peek. Wow, you see that? I need to fill that with more paint, but overall it's looking good. I'm just gonna finish tomorrow because I still have to do my math homework. Hi guys, I'm back. Day 2 of the painting, because yesterday I was really tired, and I'm still tired, but we're gonna continue with the painting because I just want to finish with it. Do you guys see my eye bags? Anyways, yeah, let's get started. You probably don't care, but look at this blanket that my mom got me. Hold up, gives me like candy cane vibes, and then the this thing came with it. several hours later, I finally finished. I don't like how it came out. I feel like I really rushed it because I kind of just didn't want to take a long time with it. Here's the final result. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video or you just enjoyed me painting. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any video suggestions, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wow. I feel like everyone does that.